right, looking at assignment 8.08, Act 4 of the Crucible, dealing with actions and beliefs. All right, so for this, again, the link to the Crucible is here. All right, so that is your text, unless you already have it saved on your desktop or somewhere. All right, so here's what we have. When John refers to his name, he is most certainly also referring to his reputation. Read The Value of a Good Reputation and explain how John Proctor's actions and beliefs do or do not align with the article's claims. All right. There is no attachment for this. Okay. So you are just going to read this and then you're going to respond. Just go down here and respond um, in my comments. Okay. So let's take a look. So you're going to look at the Act 4 of the Crucible. Again, it may benefit you to maybe read a summary of it somewhere first and then read the actual text. That should help with comprehension and understanding. All right. So the value of a good reputation. So we need to read this. So we're going to click on that. And it is just a 2-page article. All right. You can even open it with a Google Doc if you want, and then you can go in and highlight your evidence, which would be great to do, I think. All right. So let me get back here. All right. So what we need to do first is, well, first we need to read Act 4 of the Crucible. Okay. And then you need to read The Value of a Good Reputation. So click on that 2-page article that I just had open. All right. So then we're taking John Proctor's actions and beliefs from the Crucible and we're seeing if they do or do not align with the article's claims. All right. So first we have to read the article and state what the claim is before we answer whether or not that John Proctor's actions and beliefs align or do not align. And that is going to be, that's an opinionated question. So you just need to make sure that you're able to find evidence to do that. Okay. All right. So it talks about the value of a good reputation and internal versus external value, how to build a good reputation, and the benefits of a good reputation. So that is what you're looking for. All right. And you are looking for the claims in that article. All right. So go through that. Figure out what you think the claim is. The claim is going to be the main idea or ideas that the author is trying to get across in this article. All right. And then once you do that, you're going to come back here and you're going to type in here and you're going to tell me what the claim or claims are from this article. All right. And then you're going to tell me whether John Proctor's actions and beliefs align, meaning that he, you know, aligns with what he is or his actions, his beliefs, the person that he is, or if it does not align with the author's claims. And I would say get at least 2 pieces of support from the value of a good reputation. All right. And align those with 2 pieces of support that you can explain how John Proctor's actions and beliefs do or do not align with that. All right. And again, you'll just type it right in here. It should basically be a paragraph. Um, Make sure you use proper spelling, grammar, capitalization, all of that good stuff. And again, you need to make sure that you are giving us the claim from the article. All right. And then giving us evidence whether or not John Proctor's actions and beliefs align or do not align with that claim.